Hey, quick question. You ever had one too many zeros to a listing price? It happens. And when it does, emailing us is usually faster than calling. Just send your request to mlsservices@bayeast.org. We can help fix things like incorrect list or sold price, fixing the pending or sold date, or accidentally mark the listing as sold or canceled. Prefer a form? You can also submit a request at bit.ly/MLS support. Feel free to reach out, just be sure to include the MLS number for the listing. No judgment, we've seen it all. We're here to help.